Jaden, what do you think? Oh my god.
Alright, everybody, listen up. I need your attention. If y'all mess with my post while it's still setting, I'ma eat that one.
Get out the car and come straight to my face, you bum. Come on. What's up? I'm out the car.
What's
now.
up? Hey, you better back up off this car, cuz.
Forget this
Like
red
that.
light. I'll pull your tail back for you.
I'll pull that thing out on you, boy.
I'm
What's
like
up?
that.
What's up with it? I'm like, let me get out. You holding the door closed. Let me get out.
Come around
Come on,
here.
Go get it, Macy. Go bring it back. Good girl. I lost it.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Ow.
Good morning. It's okay. That's too much. That's too much. Okay, relax, dude. Too much. Too much.
Anybody else's cat likes to just sit up and watch them cook? Or is it just ours?
I think the dentist would do that.
This is really dumb.
I know.
Smack my ass like the drum.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb.
Stick your hands up.
Hello.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who
It's hard to see other people living your dreams.
Make this, you're going in the water, all right? Are you ready? Come on, let's get in there. Oh, watch your mouth.
walk in, and boom, puppy. And now we're taking.
Hey, how's it going?
It's a monkey! It's a monkey. There's a monkey.
Want a pizza, bro? Huh? Psych! I lied. This pizza, it's mine. Respect.
You are thicker than a snake.
I don't know about y'all,
But this ship.
No. Here, take it. Go away.
Oh, man. I am so tired from CrossFit this morning.
It's pronounced croissants, and you ate 4 of them.
Okay.
Look at your dog and see what they do.
Hello. Hi. Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny? You pooped in the kitchen?
Hey.
I'm tired.
Well, I guess we can't go to the park then.
Okay, I'm not tired.
Come on, go bigger. Go bigger. Go bigger. Come on, go bigger. Go bigger. Go bigger. Yeah.
Under Brian's tongue? I just don't want him waking up with allergies. No? Overkill?
You're the best girlfriend, man.
Yeah.
In the 3rd grade, people treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Dog, you kurwa stupid, sitting, good girl, kurwa, give me hand, yes, good girl. Lass uns spazieren gehen, meine Nunnen, gehen laufen, gutes Matchen, ja, Schnitzel, ja.
What the fuck?
What are you looking at? Don't even think about touching me. Don't. It's a no, all right? Get those filthy hands. I don't know where those. Sharon, don't. I said don't touch me. And you stink. Sharon, your kid stinks. What? I didn't. I barely even touched him.
Don't let it fall off the couch. Deadwood Frank's gonna kill it.
Tell me you are a cat person without actually telling me you're a cat person.
Get it. Oh shit.
정말 코로나 봐봐.
What is that fucking thing?
What the f? Hello?
What? Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe.
What are you? Yeah, what are you?
Bad vibe!
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting.
All life forms has to be men that love cats. Because every other guy's like, yeah, I love my dog. Like, yeah, dogs over cats. Cats suck. And then cat guys are like, yeah, I like both, and I like my cat a lot.
Like 30 seconds now. Like, won't stop. Oh.
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction.
Let it go.
My dog went from
May I see your daughter, please?
2.
Your daughter calls me daddy too.
Hello? Oh my fucking god, don't do that!
Come on, bro. Let me go to sleep, man. God, I ain't, bro.
Completed fixing this fence. Try to keep selling the art.
Bless you. Oh, bless you. Oh, are you okay? Oh. Is he allergic to you? Elio?
Play with this kaleidoscope I got you at the airport.
What? A kaleidoscope? I'm not 5 shapes and...
Yeah, well, I just want to let you know that I heard that you've been talking some smack, and I just want you to know that I've been taking Taekwondo lessons in the back of the Walmart Supercenter, so if you don't want to get hurt, then you better stop.
Wait, stop. Look at her. Can I do it again?
Okay, stop. Let's see what happens. Oh.
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
Anyone else's dog do this?
Okay, let's see.
That thing long, ain't it?
What's long? What'd you say? What did you just say? What's long? What you talking about?
I said this haircut taking long, ain't it?
Go get him, bud. Thank you. You're welcome.
Nope.
Yeah, now I'm panicking. Don't panic. Do you want to go to the dog park? Do you want to go?
I love you. It looked like a good stretch.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Hey, Bono, guess what? Your girlfriend's ugly. Sorry.
Elton John.
What are you upset about? Because you've dropped your bone down there 4 times and now I'm not gonna get it? You go get it.
Yo, who the hell does this think she is? Fucking queen of this house or what? Yeah, I'm talking about you.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I wake up every day, and the first thing that I do, and that you guys both do, is love each other.
When the puppers thinks he is tough.
You ain't tough.